Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.6% during the session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
US crude oil refining capacity rose 1.5% to 18.38 million barrels per day this year, as a major new expansion in Texas boosted capacity. The EIA said the figures indicate capacity online as of January the 1st. US equity funds observed heavy outflows in the 7 days through June the 12th, as some investors booked profits and exercised caution ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy decision. Investors ditched US equity funds worth a net $21.93 billion during the week, in their largest weekly net disposal since mid-December 2022. Gold prices rose over 1% and notched their first weekly gain in 4, as signs of slowing inflation in the US raised hopes of a rate cut later this year, and a stock sell-off across Europe also lent support.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 10 GMT. Italy's Consumer Price Index at 8 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 1 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.